Virgo, Virgo, Virgo. Knock, 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 Virgo. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, reading for January 1 to 15, 2026. So, start of New Year. So, ingat po tayo. So, I wish everybody more abundance, more health, more success, and more celebration. Yeah? Happiness. Foundation. So kung ano yung wish natin for 2026, maano na natin, makuha na po natin lahat. Yes? Okay, so welcome po fellow OFW. Okay, so ingat po tayo. So yeah, game na tayo. Virgo. Virgo, Virgo, what you need to know. January 1 to 15, 2026. Simulan na natin. So, general reading po. Kung maka-resonate, shout out po. Kung hindi ay sa susunod. Huwag pilitin. January 1 to 15. Virgo, hardworking, perfectionist, mga mga alam nating kumita at magpagod at magpuyat. Yeah? Virgo, what Virgo need to know? Smart people. Bigyan natin ng magandang, hindi saya. Parang malata, inaantok. Okay, kuha tayo ng isa. Okay, what Virgo needs to know. Give me one card. Simulan natin yung storyboard ni Virgo. January 1 to 15. What Virgo needs to know. Okay, yeah, okay. Queen of Swords. Decision clarity. Yeah, so nag-iisip yan ng matino. Ayaw niya ng drama. Clear dapat. The coast is clear. Magde-decide ako. Ito ang pupuntahan natin, Virgo. Okay? Ito yung pupuntahan natin sa 2026. Start ng bagong taon. Susulong na tayo. Magdesisyon na tayo. Yung palasyo, yung pundasyon, yung gusto mong ma-achieve for 2026, yung intention mo from last year na nabitin, patunguhan na natin. Wag ka nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Malakihan na. Yun ang sabi ng new moon at full moon. Personal growth at saka renewal. Yeah? At saka manifest yung big intention. Yeah? So, kunin natin yan. Ngayon, January 2026. Kunin na natin ang Virgo. What Virgo needs to know? Tuloy natin. Okay. What Virgo needs to know? So, dun sa mga hindi po nakapanood pa ng new moon and full moon reading, gusto kong isimulan doon yung connection noong storyline ni Virgo. Cycle po tayo. So, tignan natin kung tama yung sinabi ng new moon at full moon na once we manifest and work for it, makukuha natin kasi magbubukas yung blessing, yung abundance. Yeah? So, we need to work hard. Ituloy natin to towards 2026. Bagong taon, bagong panimula, renewal. So, sabi ng Queen of Swords, Virgo, magdesisyon ka na. Huwag nang mag-isip-isip pa. Clear na yung head mo. Headspace is clear. Let's move now. Go to that direction. Yeah? Go to that direction. Ano yung direction na yan? Okay. Give me message what Virgo needs to know. Give me message what Virgo needs to know. Nagagalit, oh. See? Are you dealing with Leo? So, or si Leo ang nagbibigay sa ng inspirasyon. Okay? So, ituloy mo pa rin yung kung nanghihina ka, ipakita mo na malakas ang loob mo. Maski na sa labas, ipakita mo. Keep that meekness. Yes? Huwag pa rin. Be humble. Sumunod sa rules. Keep that. Okay. You can see that infinity symbol. Don't lose sight. Don't lose sight. Don't lose sight. Okay? That's what I can say here because of the Queen of Swords. Yeah? Yun ang message sa'yo. Don't lose sight. Don't lose sight. Pinaghihina ng loob, ipakita mo maski nasa labas. And sometimes, minsan, kailangan i-fake natin yung sitwasyon. Yeah? Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Virgo, hardworking people na minsan too much perfectionist. Perfectionism, sometimes we overdo it. Nakakaano din yan, nakaka-apekto yan. So, I keep on reminding. Okay, tingnan pa natin. Another message. Oh, ayaw dito. Okay, inaantok siya. Tutuloy natin. January 1 to 15. What Virgo needs to know. Okay? Decision na to. It's time to decide. Wala tapos na po yung intention and manifestation. Now, 2026 is all about moving forward and accepting yung mga answer, yung mga resolution natin to make it work. Yeah. Oh, okay. See? Kaya sinasabi na don't lose sight nung nung pangarap mo eh. 9 of Wands, Wounded Warrior. Ito yung pinasan mo. Pasan mo na naman. Dala-dala mo. Mukhang dala-dala mo ito since 2025. Yeah? Mukhang dala-dala mo. Okay? Don't lose sight. Okay? I'm not gonna elaborate on this one kasi I saw yung strength card. Strength card is all about fighting inner strength po yan. Inner strength. Kasi kapag pagod tayo physically, yung inner strength natin, pinanghihinaan tayo ng loob. You know, na ganito na naman ako. Yeah? Ganito na naman po ako. Yan ang ano niyan. Yan ang meaning niyan. Okay. Tingnan pa natin yung blind spot. What Virgo needs to know. Okay. What Virgo needs to know. Blind spot. What Virgo needs to know. Ano yung blind spot? What Virgo needs to know. Blind spot. See? 9 of Pentacles. Yan ang gusto mo, yung independence. Independence financially, health, wealth, career, trabaho, buhay, family. Yes? So, lahat tayo, yan po. So, nakatingin na naman yung pag-uusapin ko yung dalawang card. Oh, Queen of Swords. So, sabi kay Virgo, you decide. Gusto mo ng magandang bahay? Yeah? You fought for that. Ipaglaban mo. You're the wounded warrior. Yeah? Start pa lang to ng taon. Kasi, okay. So, it's gonna be a long battle, a long journey para sa Virgo na nandito. Kasi malaki yung inano mo dito eh. Malaki yung minanifest mo. Again, yung sitwasyon po natin, iba-iba. Iba-iba yung background natin, iba-iba yung sitwasyon natin sa family. So, commonality, to win that battle, para manalo tayo sa gera, kailangan, nandun pa rin yung natin, yung determinasyon. So, si Leo, yung placement mo, kung meron kang Leo na nasa paligid mo, siya yung magbibigay siya to open up that inspiration. Kasi, nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Sabi dito ng 9 of Pentacles, Leo, you like the independence, and then, hindi ako makakarating sa sitwasyon na ito kung sumuko ako. Kung hindi ako nag-decide, kung hindi ako nag-desisyon ng minsan masakit na decision, I have to do that. Persevere. So, you need to be clear kung ano talaga yung goal mo, kung direction mo pataas na ganyan. Yeah. You have to have that faith na rin ito, inner strength. Yeah? Okay. So very very straightforward yung message kay Leo about preparation for 2026. Okay. Ituloy pa natin. Okay. Remember, advance yung reading ko po, no? So, Also, just to give some perspective na what to expect, how that life is not easy, na how we gonna navigate na to make it simple na hindi masyadong painful at stressful yung ating taon. So that's how it is. So I just want to share it lalo sa mga fellow OFW dahil alam ko po yung sitwasyon natin. Yeah, okay. So ituloy natin. For me, this type of reading is very realistic. Yeah. So for me it's a preparation na okay, I'm gonna make mga decision na minsan mapakla, okay? And I need to be ready on that. That's my take. Okay. So tuloy natin Virgo, January 1 to 15. January 1 to 15. Okay. Basahin natin. See? Meron ka indecision dito. Ano yung indecision mo? Parang nakita ko na to last reading mo. Meron kang indecision. Whatever indecision here, okay, tingnan natin. You set your intention, okay? Yun ang sabi ng full moon and new moon. You will claim that. You're gonna make some decision, sabi ko nga, mapakla, and that holds you to move to that direction. Kasi nare-realize mo na naman, ito yung Virgo na alam ko napagod ka, pero it doesn't mean nasusuko. That's how it is. So, nag-pause ka. Siguro, I would read this hangman na as it's time to rest for a while. Yeah? Ibitin mo yung problema. Minsan, kapag hindi ka nagdesisyon, desisyon din po yon. Correct? So, minsan hindi tama. Hindi pa timing. Yes? Pero, itong sabi ko nasa harapan ko, meron kang desisyon na gagawin. Kaya lang naapektuhan ka dahil yung sitwasyon mo, ano ka dito, definitely, nasaktan ka somehow. Basically, na you want to give up, understandable, napagod ka, so, yung decision na gagawin mo, nagdududa ka, yes, nagdududa ka, yan ang hinahanap mo. Make that decision and you're gonna have that happiness, 10 of Cups. Kung natatakot ka, have that courage. Ito yung mapaklang sinasabi ko. Ano yung mapakla? Ano yung mapaklang decision ni Virgo na you have to do it, but it will give you that full sense of fulfillment and that clarity and the happiness and the abundance that you like. Yeah? Anong example nito? Yun na lang sabi ko na opportunity na mag-abroad ka, pumunta ka sa ibang kumpanya na hindi unknown. You know, na sa palagay mo ganito na naman ang mangyayari sa akin. Yeah, yun ang minsan sakit natin. Ganito na naman ang mangyayari sa akin. Ginawa ko na ito, tapos babalik pa ba ako sa ganoon? Yeah, blind spot is, if you go to that direction na mapakla, hindi mo realize na hindi pala yung panlasa mo pala para akma doon. That's what you are looking for. So, the universe is telling minsan, hindi ito yung binibigay sa atin. Kundi yung binibigay sa atin, hindi yun yung gusto natin, kundi kung ano yung nararapat na para sa atin on that situation and also on that time. Kaya mapakla. It's a learning experience and it's a learning lesson. So, kaya lumito yung hangman dito, sinasabi na magkaroon ka ng ibang perspective. You know, yung luto mong sinigang, hindi, hindi yung timpla ng nanay mo. That it's different from the way it was being prepared. Pero ngayon, mayroon ng opportunity, another sinigang for you to taste it. So, ayaw mo ng ganong klaseng luto. That's how it is. Kasi alam mo na naman, ay, ganito na naman mapakla na naman ito. Ay, ito na naman, may aswang na naman akong kasama sa bahay or, ay, ito na naman, mangungutang na naman ito. Ayaw naman magtrabaho. Ay, ito, yan. Wounded Warrior, Knight of Wands. Nine of Wands, isa na lang, you're gonna have that completion. You're gonna have that That wish fulfillment, that's the happiness. Kaya ka nagkakaroon ng hangman. Ngayon, kung meron kang hinihintay na decision, January 1 to 15, clarity, you gonna decide. Somebody will decide. Ano po yan? Um, exchange of energy. You are waiting for decision. Ngayon, darating yon. Kung ikaw yung magdedesisyon, pag hindi ka nagdesisyon, is also a decision. Yes? And it's gonna affect yung buong tema noong storyboard mo. Na hindi mo nare-realize, kailangan minsan makatikim ka din dapat ng mapakla para ma-realize mo na that would lead you to that independence and happiness na hindi mo nakikita. Kaya ka nagbitin-bitin. Yeah? Totoo po yan. Merong ganyan. Yung it's the comfort zone na tinatawag. It's the comfort zone. Okay? Ayaw mo nang, gusto mo lang nang magtrabaho ng 8 oras pero gusto mong makabili ng bagong telepono. Yeah? So, alis ka sa comfort zone mo kasi you need that happiness and that will fulfill your happiness. Hindi dumating yung Nine of Pentacles to become independent kung halimbawa sumuko siya. Yes? Nag-fake din siya. Nag-fake din siya ng emotion kasi pagod din siya eh. Physically, this is physically exhausting. Napagalitan ka, napahiya ka, I always say that. Pinagalitan ka ng amo mo, hindi ka matanggap sa trabaho, but you keep on doing it. Ngayon, dumating ka na sa sitwasyon na you want to give up totally. So, konti pang fake. I-fake mo pa. Because the abundance, again, is here. Is here. Yeah? It's here. So, bakit ka susuko, Virgo? Nasa harapan mo yung abundance na hinahanap mo at saka yung pambayad lang sa mortgage at saka yung sa promotion mo. Again, this is only start of the year. This is only the start of the year, January. I'm going to complete that storyboard the whole year. Every reading, I want to continue yung sinabi ng new moon and full moon. If you manifest something big, this is the time po. New beginning, new year. It's a new reset para sa buong taon natin na 2026. So, expect. It's not gonna be all masaya because there's a lot of work here. Okay? But moving to that horizon, Virgo, ang sinasabi sa iyo ng new moon and full moon noong isang buwan and this coming advanced reading po ako. Itong January 3 po ba yun? If I'm not mistaken, yung new full moon, you will claim that. But there's effort. Huwag ka nang huwag ka nang magpabitin-bitin pa sa desisyon. Have a different perspective and you're gonna win. You're gonna win. You're gonna win. Big time. You're gonna win big time. Yeah? Okay. So this is a very practical reading as a start of 2026. Mas gusto ko po yung ganitong yung reading na very realistic, especially preparation for the new year. Yeah? For me, ayoko yung medyo yung bigla it's a huge thing. I want to mas gusto ko po to start the year slow and then I'm gonna move yung pacing ko towards second quarter. Then that's how I'm gonna push yung trajectory noong in terms of sa work, sa family. So, yung momentum kasi nakakapagod din. Responsibilidad. Nakakapagod physically. So, yeah, tignan pa natin. New Moon Tarot card, Oracle, sorry. Okay, ito, Virgo, message ng Wolf. So, Wolf Moon po yung yung new full moon on January. Okay, i-check mo Virgo, Wolf. It's all about survival instinct. So, ito, sabi dito, beware of letting your wilder instinct spin out of control. Yeah? Bakit wilder instinct? Kapag pagod ka na, dyan ang tendency na yung tao, maski na naman ako, you want to do shortcut, yeah? Yung bang tipo, pagod na ako, maski na yung report ko, gaganito ko na lang basta-basta. Yung ganun tipo, magiging substandard, parang DPWH. Yes? No. Don't. Okay? Strength. You need to fight for that one. Inner strength. Kasama na yung physical strength. Start, simula pa lang tayo ng taon, you need to fight. You need to fight for that one. Okay? Sabi nung wolf, okay? Sabi nung owl, yung kaibigan natin, wisdom ito. Okay? A crisis will allow you to look into yourself and make an important revelation. Okay? Ang important revelation sa iyo, Virgo, is the inner strength that you have na hindi mo alam na meron ka. Yeah, lahat po tayo meron ito. Sometimes, if you are exhausted physically, minsan, ayaw na natin lumaban. That's what I can smell here. Ayaw na natin lumaban. Kaya ka naghahangman dito. Ito yung mga tipong, ang dami mong rejection sa application, pagod ka physically. Yeah, I've been there also. Magpadala ka ng 100 CV, resume sa kumpanya. Merong magre-reply na 3. Tapos, mayroong mag-i-interview na 2. Tapos, hindi na tatawag o hindi na mag-i-email. Yeah. Doon ka nagde-decide na gusto mo na sumuko or gusto mong lumaban. Yes? So, mapakla po iyon. Pero, we shouldn't let those bad, negative, not so nice, na nakakapagod na sitwasyon to stop us para makuha natin yung happiness natin towards the whole 2026. Yes? So, yeah. Beautiful reading. This is beautiful reading, Virgo. So, magpapakapi ka. You're gonna have that independence. Maski na mapakla, you fake it. You need that strength, inner strength. Mga desisyon na minsan nakakatakot, but we have to. Sabi nung meron kang blessing ng Queen of Swords here, you're gonna have that clarity. Yung hinahanap mo para maging easier yung decision making mo, na ito bang direction ang gagawin ko o hindi. It will give you that clarity also. So, but you have to make a decision. Umalis ka. Never na mag-i-stuck ka on a hangman mode. You need to make a decision. Sabi niya, Virgo, okay, huwag kang magpabitin-bitin sa desisyon. Pumunta ka dito sa direction na itinuturo ko sa iyo. Yeah? It's not easy kasi kalaban mo itong physical exhaustion na ito. Pero towards January, you're gonna get that. Kasi may manifest mo ito eh. If you manifested this, you're gonna get this. So, why na matatakot ka? Asan ba yung strength na ito? Oh, why na matatakot ka? Yeah, infinity symbol. Yeah, oh. So, what else you need? You have that. So, yes, January 1 to 15, 2026. So, Virgo, kung naka-resonate, shout out po. Kung hindi, sa susunod. So, see you again. Salamat po.